guys, and welcome to part 2 of my spring clean and decorate. Today I am doing my daughter's nursery and I decided not to buy anything new, so you can see my little tote of stuff behind me here. If you're new around here, first of all, welcome. My name is Bella and I love to make all of these like motherhood videos, like cleaning, decorating, organizing, decluttering, all those types of things. And if that sounds like it's for you, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining our amazing community. We're all very supportive of each other and we would love for you to be a part of it. And I also want to say before we get into this, make sure that you go back if you haven't watched part 1 and watch that, because I am going to be doing a giveaway on there and you still have time to enter if you're watching this within a week that video was posted. So let's jump right into part 2, decorating my daughter's nursery. And one thing that I just forgot to mention, make sure that you stick around to the end because I'm going to be making some absolutely delicious blueberry muffins. They were so good. Kennedy loved them. So they're toddler approved if you have little kids in the house. But first I had to pick up this room because my toddler's room is always a mess. And if you have little kids, you can totally relate. So I didn't want to start decorating in a messy space, so I just took a minute to clear it up. And I know that it's not perfect, but it is what it is, and my daughter comes in here all the time and plays, so I don't really worry about it being perfect just because I know that it'll get messed up again. But I'm also not going to be doing a super deep clean in this room today because I have an entire deep clean, like spring deep clean with me video coming. It's actually a little series. I'm going to be doing it in 2 parts just because there's going to be so much to do. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss that video. And I'm starting with her rocking chair. I had a new blanket and I had some bunnies that I had to throw on here, and I had all of these just as a reminder. I didn't buy anything new because I'm not trying to add more to our situation that we have to store. And I am going to be doing a walkthrough at the end of this, so you'll be able to see all the decorations more in detail since you didn't see any of them in my spring haul. But you guys know that this bookshelf always gives me so much grief when I'm trying to decorate. I always want it to look perfect, and sometimes I can't get it to look exactly how I want it, and then I have to rearrange everything. As you can see, each shelf has been rearranged now probably twice. So that's why if something isn't working right away, just kind of like stick to it and keep moving things around, because then you'll eventually find where it's all meant to be. Now I'm moving on to the floating shelves above her rocking chair, and I was obviously working with what I already have, and sometimes I have no clue how to decorate this space. So if you're really good at decorating floating shelves, let us all know in the comments below how to make this cuter. And you know that I always have to add one. You know that I loved my little banner that I got for Christmas and the one that I got for Valentine's Day to go above her window, and also one for above her mirror. And this one I already had, and if you saw last year, I definitely wasn't doing YouTube last year. If you did see it though on my Instagram or wherever you would have seen it, this was on her crib, but now that she can pull things, I decided not to put it on her crib. And also this one was on her crib too, and it was really cute, but I think they look cute here too. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to give in. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Alright, I'm gonna do a super quick tour and real life moments because Kennedy is playing under her rug right now, but let's see, I actually had to move this candle because she's playing in here and she grabs the wax, but I put some cute little bunnies, I changed the blanket and the pillows, And then up here, just a lot of bunnies and stuff. I kept it more like fun in here because I think it looks more like a little girl's room. These cute little bunnies. And then I've been loving putting stuff above like her window and stuff. This little Easter sign. And over here and like her bookshelf and like the homeschool stuff. A lot of bunnies, an Easter basket, another Easter basket. Bunch of Easter stuff, like a little Easter egg and a bunny. You can tell I went with a different vibe in here for sure. And then Easter book. You know, I keep all my seasonal books there. And then I have these cute little bunny pom-pom things above the mirror over here. And then Kennedy, can mommy see it? Can we see it? She has her little egg door hanger that she loves. Now it's time to make some absolutely delicious blueberry muffins, and I will have the recipe linked below because I know that sometimes that's easier for people than to follow along with the video. But if you want to see me make them first, make sure you keep watching. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then the next thing you want to do is line a cupcake or muffin pan with 8 cups. I got mine from Rayleigh's, but you can get them from anywhere. First you want to start with like a bigger bowl, so grab 2, but start with the bigger one first. And you want to add 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now grab a measuring cup and add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and then add enough milk for it to reach the 1 cup mark. Baby, I will show you how you can catch. And now stir this. And then pour this in here. And now stir this until it's combined. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door. And now fold in 1 cup of blueberries. And set all that aside. Now grab a smaller bowl, add a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup flour, 1/4 cup butter, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then after you add your cinnamon, mix this together until it becomes kind of crumbly, but leave your butter sitting out a little bit longer than I did. I think that would make it work a lot better.
For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time. dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
And after you've done all that, you want to bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes. And make sure you let them cool in the pan for a little while before you take them out, or they might actually fall apart. But after that, they are so good and they are so cute. They're perfect for easy breakfast. If you have kids that go to school in the morning, we're not quite there, but if you have kids and early mornings, this might be super easy to just grab and go, and they are just so perfect for spring. And again, I will have these linked in the description box below because I know that it's easier for people to see it in like a step-by-step form as opposed to the video. But if you end up making these, make sure that you come back here and let me know and share a picture on Instagram. You can tag me at Bella_Ariana127, and then I can see your muffins that you made and I can share them with the rest of our community. But now it's time to clean up because there's always just a huge mess after baking anything, but it's super fun and super worth it. And let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me do the whole cleanup process after baking or cooking anything. I know that a lot of people like to see it.
But you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated.
This is probably going to be one of the most satisfying times you're going to see me clean dishes and stuff because there was just so much mess. I think it's not a secret that with baking anything, some stuff gets really sticky, especially when it's like bread, stuff like that, you know, muffins and cupcakes, anything with the flour just gets super stuck on and really gross. So it's going to be super satisfying to see me clean these bowls and also the sink at the end because it was just so sticky and gross.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go.
Now I'm just gonna move around and clear off the rest of my countertops and then wipe them down because they got kind of gross, but also it wasn't like bad gross, it was just food gross, you know what I mean? The difference between gross that I'm about to clean in the next spring cleaning video and just kind of messy. And that next cleaning video is going to be so satisfying. So again, make sure you don't miss that because that is going to be one for the books. I have so many just gross and neglected spaces all over this house, and I'm gonna have it on full display, hiding absolutely nothing. It's gonna be so embarrassing, but if it motivates you guys, that's why I do it. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of this spring clean and decorate with me. Again, make sure you go back and watch part 1 if you haven't entered my giveaway. I will be drawing that very soon. All the rules to enter are in that video. So again, it is linked below. But until then, I will see you back here for a super deep clean. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be so gross, but it's going to be so worth it. And I will see you next time. Bye, beauties.